We're here in Brianna McKellar's room with many Barbies. Brianna, can you please tell us which one's in your hand? What's her name?
Sophie. Strawberry shortcake. Cece.
And?
Missy.
Okay.
Sarah. Jamie.
Okay.
Sarah. Lainey.
Okay.
Cece. Mermaid. Princess. Pen. Hen. Hen. Ballet. Teacher. Rapunzel. Oh yeah, it is. Howie. Spot.
Is that it? The cat. The cat. Oh, the cat.
Oh, this is my picture. My Christmas tree.
That's awesome.
Oh, that's my little cousin.
Guys, you're in the way.
My uncle hates when he does that.
Do what?
That.
Hey, get in the way.
Let's see.
With the
Kitty!
with the